It's my bag of crap, my bag of crap. Oh, that's a lot of crap. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite, and crap is my middle name. Actually quality, but there's a lot of crap that could actually put a smile on your face. I'm so excited because today I get to unbox the bag of crap from Woot.com. That's WOOT.com. Woot is the OG, the original daily deal site founded in 2004. There's some benefits for Prime members, which I'm going to get to in a moment. I want to thank Woot.com for sponsoring today's video, and a reminder, if you expand the video description box right under me, you will see a link to score you any daily deal from Woot.com or a bag of crap. The reason I wanted to unbox the bag of crap, which we'll get to in a moment, is because it's 10 bucks. The mystery is incredible. You never know what you're going to get, and these are so exclusive and so hard to get to sometimes that they sell out in seconds. So I want to make sure you have this on your radar. And a reminder, since Woot was acquired by Amazon in 2010, there are benefits now that exist for Prime members, like free shipping. So that's phenomenal. And of course, for 10 bucks, this could be a great way to treat yourself or a very cool way to give a gift. Part of the fun is the bag of crap is that it's supposed to be crappy and you never know what crap you'll get. But I was blown away by what I scored for 10 bucks. The link to Woot.com is in the video description box. Keep an eye out for the next bag of crap, and when it goes up for a deal, you will not want to miss that. And if you're in the market for any tech gadgets or kitchen gizmos or even sport items, Woot offers multiple daily deals and short-term sales for all of those items. There's even something called Woot Offs, which are site-wide offers that provide shoppers some of the lowest prices you will see anywhere. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of crap. And now I'm going to show you each of these items one by one. First item out of the box is the Skechers activity tracker and sleep monitor. These are great. These actually have, in some cases, a $30 or $40 value on their own. These will track your steps, your movement, your wellness wirelessly with an app. Or if you have virtually no physical activity and you haven't been to a gym more than once in the last decade, I'll just use this to track my sleep. And yeah, there you go. The fact that I just scored an Alpine Swiss men's briefcase for 10 bucks in this bag of crap is amazing on its own. Oh, this is insane. This could accommodate all my man items, even actually this computer deal, which I scored from Woot.com, all in a really nice manly case. 10 bucks, people. Inside my bag of crap, there's another mystery bag. And before we get to all of these other items, I have, ooh, I love ties. Look at this. This is a Batman tie. Oh, this is sweet. I'm going to model this for you at the end. A Woot.com monkey. Yes! I got a digital thermometer, which is great for oral or underarm use. The choice is yours. Ooh, an ice scraper. This is actually great. I'm from Toronto. We have snow. I will definitely use this to scrape ice off my windshield. Awesome. I also got a pair of level binoculars. Now this is insane. I'm sorry. These on their own, oh my goodness, this is actually crazy. These are worth 30 to 50 bucks on their own. These are really nice. Wow. Okay, look at these binoculars. Again, 10 bucks for this bag of crap, and this is one of my included items. I will definitely be using this summer. Got a couple of road trips. My wife was in Africa not too long ago volunteering. I'm going to bet she wished she had these. Oh, and this is perfect for checking out my new neighbors. Every bag of crap is different and weird, but don't take my word for it. Look at the pictures of what other people have gotten for their bags of crap from the Woot.com community forums. This is Nonstick aluminum cookware. These are great just to have around. I mean, who doesn't need another pot? And again, this was included in my $10 bag of crap. Speaking of the kitchen, I do find a lot of kitchen gadgets often on Woot.com. This cutting board, again, who doesn't need another cutting board? And this is nice because it just brings a little bit more color to your kitchen. Of course, this meets the FDA standards. I am familiar with this cutting board. And it's yet just another kitchen item that I got in my bag of crap. Fido Float, a life preserver for your dog. Now, my dog, who is no longer with us, would have been a little bit small for this, but this is extra large. I got a couple of neighbors that have larger dogs. This would be great. And more importantly, I might wear this in the bath tonight. You also get an apron. Again, why not? Who doesn't need another apron? I'm constantly cooking, getting things onto my clothing. This is perfect. It fits. I like the color. It matches my cutting board. I'm good to go. Oh, a dog mask. Buck the Shepherd. Why not? Ooh, this is nice. This is realistic. And while I am wearing my apron, I'm going to become Buck. I'm Buck, and I'm wearing an apron, and I've just unboxed a bag of crap. Woot! Woot! Get it? Woot, woot. Woot, woot, woot! And yes, this is my tie. And I wear actually a lot of ties. I work on network television, so every day when I'm on TV, I wear a tie. I am so going to wear this. I know some of you are watching it. This idiot's on TV. Yep, I am. You're welcome. Now, my final synopsis of the bag of crap from Woot.com, which I loved reviewing, it's $10. And there's something really nice about a surprise or a mystery in life. In fact, with all the technology that I test and everything else, we've almost eradicated all sense of surprise and mystery in our worlds. And this is really fun for $10, which is probably less than you'll spend on lunch tomorrow, unless you take your own bag of paper bag crap and bring it from home. There's something really nice about $10 going a little way or a long way or just opening up something and being able to react to it. Awesome for myself, awesome for a friend, just a great way to give a gift. Very, very impressed though with what I got. I will say this is a fully loaded bag of crap. Even for the tie alone, which would have been worth, I don't know, $8 or $15 depending on where you buy it from. I got a great tie, plus all of those other things, many of which I'm going to use. A reminder, if you want to learn more about the bag of crap or link to Woot.com, there is a link in the video description box. And I want to thank Woot for sponsoring this video. I had so much fun today. I know many of you watching know I don't get out much. I have no life, but this was a lot of fun and I'm glad that I got to spend my time with all of you. So thank you for watching. If you want to see more deals, more huge savings moving forward, there is a very easy way to get hooked up. Click on my non-dog head here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications and leaving a comment, it's up there. And that last big roundup of deals I found, it's right over here. Woot, 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 woot.